Okay, this is the review for quiz number 17 about the ear and some anatomy and some stuff like that. The first thing to know is that binaural means two ears, right? That's going to be like a stereo. So if you ever see something that's labeled binaural or a binaural recording, it's going to be for both the left and the right ear. It will not be mono. Okay. The next thing to know is the outside of our ear. The Latin word I'm going to teach you for that is the pinna, P-I-N-N-A. And that is just the fleshy part, the cartilage in the skin around the outside that directs sound waves inside. In the inner ear, we've got the three reportedly smallest bones in the human body. The names I'm going to give you for that are the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. Right? You can use the Latin names if you want, not on the quiz, but what are the Latin names? The malleus, the incus, and the stapes. But hammer, anvil, stirrup, smallest bones in your body, inside the inner ear, hitting on each other, making the sound go into your inner ear. And the eardrum. Okay, so an interesting thing about the eardrum is when it hears really loud sounds, like a loud concert that you go to, as to protect itself from damage, the muscles around are going to loosen. So the eardrum doesn't react quite as much, and that's why after you're at a loud concert, so your friends' voices sound muffled and you're shouting to each other, right? Because your eardrums are still trying to protect themselves from a loud noise, and so it's going to sound muffled and lose some of the high frequencies. Okay, and the last thing to talk about is that what is too loud then? And as the answer is to many things that we talk about in this class. It depends, right? So your ears can take a really loud rock concert and recover just fine and not do any permanent damage, but at lower volume levels, if you're working around it every day, then you can damage your hearing, right? So this is why you see some people working at factories that have earplugs over the headphones, or the people outside of the planes, right, that are waving them around and on the tarmac, right? They always have ear protection, even though you as a passenger, you may walk out on the tarmac and they don't make you put ear protection on because you're just there for a minute. And those guys are working out there for 8 hours a day. Okay, so that's the review for quiz number 17. Thank you very much.